Hey guys, Team USA right here. I got the shirt, and yes, that's right. We're going to Qatar 2022. We got good news for you guys this time. Remember my last video, I told you guys that my wire transfer failed. Well, in this video, I have you guys right here on the live cam. We're gonna buy the tickets today live, and yes, I called my bank and they said they increased my credit line. It's not a credit line, it's a debit because it's a debit card, right? So the debit line, and it got increased from $10,000 to $25,000, right? Super great, super happy about it. I'm super excited. We're gonna do this right now live. I have it right here live on my phone, as you guys can see. It's right there, and it's super cool, right? We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this live, and I'm super excited about it, right? As you guys can see, I have it right here on the phone. You guys can see me right there. Cool, cool, cool. You guys see both cameras, and I'm super excited. I'm gonna do this because I'm gonna do it live. And yes, we're gonna buy the tickets that are worth $24,000, and we're gonna spend them going to the semifinals, the final, and the quarterfinals. That's right. Not only that, but I also got group stage matches. So stay tuned. I'll make the next video talking about all my tickets, and we're gonna do this, and we're gonna do this today, right? I got the USA shirt. Tourist, we're gonna leave USA and we're gonna go to Qatar as an American, but it doesn't matter because we go for any team that wins the World Cup final, right? But let's go, Team USA right now. We're gonna fly aboard. We're gonna do this traveling legally. We're not gonna get stuck in Qatar, and we're not gonna get stuck in Russia. We're not gonna get stuck in another country that doesn't let tourists tour, and because we just want to watch the final, it's gonna be super excited, right? Great. So back over here on my phone, as we go to see my account, this is my account already signed in. We're gonna go to my orders. It's already right there, and we're gonna go to pending payments, right? Same thing, same process as last time. You guys can see it's $23,150 in Qatari. If you guys want to know what Qatari is, since I still got my paper right here, I got my paper right here. You guys can see the proof. All right, in Qatari, it's 82,208.81 Qatari Rial, right? That's what it's called, Qatari Rial. It's QAR. It's not USD, but that's how much it's worth, right? And you guys see right here on my phone, I screenshot it, I video recorded it, and it says due date passed, right? But as I talked to my agent, he's like, you know what? The order's still good. We checked, we verified. All you gotta do is pay it, right? To do a wire transfer, apparently it failed. It got refunded twice. A good thing, I got all the money because I was shocked by it for a second. I got refunded and I didn't get all the money, right? And but it actually got refunded, the whole complete money. So so it says right here, I gotta pay it. We're gonna pay it, and I want to do it live, right? So right, so to select on pay, I lost my debit card, but good thing I have it saved right here, right? Now in this screen, I'm gonna blur everything out. Obviously, it's my personal information, includes your name, your address, I think your phone number, and your email, and anything you need, right? So that's what I'm gonna blur it out, but it says right here, Visa. Okay, back over here, Visa. I already have it saved, so all I gotta do is click on it and scroll down to the box, right? And then I select my card that's already right there saved, right? Now, if you don't have it saved, obviously you gotta put every single digit. But I lost my debit card and haven't requested a new one for the same reason, right? If you request a new one, it might take a week or two. I don't have a week or two. I thought I was gonna get canceled, the order canceled, right? And the agent told me and he promised me you're gonna get the best seats in the house, right? For because I'm spending so much money, right? $24,000. You have to be worth it. It has to be good seats. And the agent James Gordon, all right, shout out to him. Hopefully he does good, and he doesn't lie. Hopefully he gets me the best seats because I'm excited for it and I waste a lot of money, right? So let's do it again. We're gonna put my card number right now. We're good thing we know my card number, and we're gonna put a 7-1. All right, we're gonna put my card number. Boom, boom, and we're gonna put pay right together. $23,000 right there. Are we ready to pay? We're gonna ready to pay. Here's the magic button. Let's select pay, and we paid. And it says it's gonna work. 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 Payment has been canceled. No, man. Payment has been canceled. So we're here again, live. We're gonna try it again. I just called back Citibank. So it didn't work. I wanna try a different way. See if it works right now. We're gonna do it together again. Here we go. We're gonna load up the website. Alrighty, we're gonna put our information so all this is blurred out. Let's do everything proper so there won't be no mistakes. Okay. Alrighty, ready? It says Visa or other card payments. Okay, so everything was good. Didn't work on Visa. My card is a MasterCard. Alright. We're gonna select other types of card. Right? We're gonna put our information. I'm gonna put the code, and we're gonna select pay, and see if it works. Does it work? Let's see if it works. Hopefully, because if it works, we're going to Qatar, and I think it works, and it's going to work because now it's loading. The lesson didn't load, and let's see it's loading, and we're just waiting, and it says, oh, damn it, man. It says an external issue has been identified with your payment card while it's attempted to process your payment. Kindly note that the payment card used to complete this purchase must be 3D secured and enabled for secure online payment. Please contact bank directly to resolve the issue. Oh, man. Let's try it one more time. Damn, man. See if it works. Does it work? Oh.